In this video, we are going to see that if you want to appear offline because you don't want different interactions with your friends for a time being, here's how you can easily do it on Roblox. First of all, you head over to the right hand corner and click on this gear icon and head over to the settings. And from here, we will head over to the privacy and content restrictions. And from here, we will see this basically visibility and private servers. Click on that. And from here, we will choose visibility. And right now the online status is appearing for everyone. Let's just switch it to no one. And you just toggle off this activity updates as well. So even if you do some activity on Roblox, they won't be able to see it. And once you do that, you head over back to the privacy and restrictions and you head over to the communication where you open up the experience chat. And you can turn off this experience chat and direct chat as well if you want. Also, if you want not to be invited to the party or group party, you turn off these options as well. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.